Welcome back. Today we are going to be unboxing the new Sunstone Shades wireless automatic dimming lens. And we're going to perform a full product review so that you can determine whether or not it lives up to its hype and popularity. Let's get started. Here it is, and I'm going to unbox, but first I'm going to show you, I love how simple it is. Wireless darkening, magnification, and patented design. I like the graphics. I like that. It's very clear. Control multiple glasses from one welder. It's fantastic. The other thing is, yes, it works with major brands, so you don't have to have a Sunstone welder, but I do think you might need an adapter somehow. And it's great that it has 12-hour battery life. Now we are ready to open. So this is a case. I love how it's matte. It's a hard protective case. Glasses. This is nicely packed. Here's a dongle. So I guess this will fit into the welder where the ADL would normally fit. Here's a charger. This is the different nose piece for adjustment. I see different heights. There are 3 pairs. Magnifiers. It's got a clip. This is that non-pilling cloth for wiping. And I like this. It's hard. So this would be the traveling case. These are nice. Surprisingly, they're not heavy, and I guess it's got the protective peel that I'm just going to peel off and set aside. I just want to show you this. I guess this is where the charger gets attached. Oh, and it naturally gravitated to that. I love it. So I have this from something else that I have lying around. I've got a whole bunch of these. And basically, I guess you plug into this. I've got an extension cord. There you go. Now, I'm not sure if you can see the light. It's lit. And it's charging. So we're going to charge for a little bit and we're going to try it out. Sorry to interrupt. Would you mind liking this video right now? And while you're at it, subscribe. Thanks. For this experiment, I'm going to use the Zap Plus 2.0 and we turn around like this. This is where the optics goes. So this, and you see the teeth go this way and we're going to plug it in like that. It clicks. And now I'm going to plug in the power. It doesn't matter which order you do this in, but I wanted to show that more clearly. So we are ready to go. Turn this on. On this side of the shade, there's a button right above where the battery is. There's only one side, and you press down on it. It turns green, and then it turns blue. That means it is synced. And we are ready to experiment. So to do this, I am going to now plug in my grounded pliers. So here we are. Actually, I need bifocals, and I wonder if you can actually clip them right on top of my regular glasses. Okay, I don't know how silly I look, but these fit very nicely and I can see very clearly. And surprisingly, actually, I have metal frame glasses. They're not overly, it's just the top rim, and these are not much heavier, and they're stylish. They kind of remind me of Wayfarers, which I really love. So looks like this. This has really strong lights, and I'm going to remove the glass cover. So what I've done is I've turned off my ring light for filming, and this is how dark it is. How you can turn on the light is when you press on for power, after it turns blue, all you have to do is press it again. So I'm just going to go this way, and so there. And I'm going to turn these on. I can see not too far, but maybe about 10 inches without glasses. So that could work. I guess if for those of you who have contacts and need bifocals, there are magnifiers too. These are for magnification. And I guess you just, they open up. They're easy, actually. They're very easy to use. You can have the 4 times magnification. And it's actually, it doesn't add much weight to it. And it's very lightweight. I like those. Okay, so I've got a jump ring, and actually I'm just going to see about welding it, and I'll do it this way so you can see what happens. Okay, so that was good. I'm going to do it again. And so it goes really dark, and although at the flash I can see the flash, a slight flash, I can tell that this gives full protection, which is fantastic. Okay, so this goes dark for a split second longer than it needs, but I guess I would prefer to have better protection than it being too short. So now I'm going to set it up and film it from the other side so you can see what I see when I weld. Perfect. I just wanted to give you a close-up. It comes with 3 extra nose pads, and this one that's already on is the thickest one. And if you have a flat nose like mine, I guess you don't need to deal with any of this. But these are very easy to take out and put in. All you have to do is insert one side, hook on it to it, pull on it, and let go, like that. This is really exciting technology because it is completely wireless using Bluetooth technology, and it will allow you to weld necklaces, anklets without worrying about wires and being limited or being tangled by it. That also, this wireless auto-darkening lens technology for welding as well as micro welding is completely new. Sunstone has patented this technology across all industries, not just for micro welding. So this is groundbreaking, and I'm really happy for them. This is very useful. I love things that are useful. At the time of filming, the price is $550 US per pair, or 2 pairs for $1,000. And the reason why you have 2 is, in fact, with 1 dongle, you can have 2 pairs paired and synced to this so that your client will have the same protection and same experience that you have. And I think that is really clever. As a business, this is great technology to invest in because it signals for your client that you're investing the best and the latest thing for their experience. So as a brand, you are able to do a lot of brand marketing for your business. And I think that is a smart move as well. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe so you don't miss anything new, and we'll see you in the next video.